Hello, welcome to Justlearncivil. This is the second tutorial in SWAT. We will learn how to download TRMM Precipitation in NetCDF format and extract it in SWAT format. Meteorological data includes temperature, precipitation, solar radiation, wind, humidity. We will download precipitation data. We have already seen in this first tutorial how SWAT take data from meteorological station. Now we need to prepare a text file which consists of name of the subbasin, latitude and longitude. So this is the subbasin. We will give one name to it, and the centroid coordinate would be given as latitude and longitude, and we will prepare a text file. Name, latitude, longitude delimited by tab or space. For suppose here 1 2 3 4 5 6, there is 6 station, then there will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 station, name, latitude, longitude, and TRMM data would be this. TRMM data is in grid format of 0.25 or somewhat like that square kilometer area. Now suppose this is the TRM data available, then it will interpolate between this station and this data station. So when we download for this station, we will get a rectangular grid in TRMM. Suppose we want to download for this place, then we will input the coordinate of these two bounding rectangular. Then TRMM will give data in grid format. And the centroid of the grid will consist of the data of the precipitation. Now to get the data of this station, it will interpolate the nearest station and give the data of this station. It will do this for all the stations of the subbasins. We need two software, CSAY TRMM downloader and NetCDF to SWAT format. These can be downloaded in free from github.com/achayadaby. CSAY TRMM data downloader. Download as zip file and extract it. Now when you will extract, you will be able to find this value. Now go to bin, debug, and here you will see an application, CSAY TRMM data downloader. Double click. This is the interface of the software. Go to about, and there you will get documentation. This is the documentation of download TRMM Precipitation in NetCDF format, network common data form using wget and a software CSAY TRMM downloader. You have two ways to download it, using wget or this software. Actually this software also uses wget to download, but in wget you have to write code. In this software you don't need to write any code. And then we will use another software to extract it in Excel format and the SWAT format in text file. This is the table of content, introduction, then go to Earthdata, create your account, link your account, download wget cookies, then download TRMM in NetCDF format. And the another way is to use the software and this. So in this video we will be using these two software. Let's go to introduction. we will download daily data from this website disc.gsfc.nasa.gov. Then we need to input their start date, end date, latitude limit and longitude limit to create a rectangle. Then data version would be our TRMM 3B42 daily 7. 3 means level 3 processed data. B is the sensor. 42 series gives the daily data, 43 gives the monthly data. And this version. Now we need to go to this website. Before that we need to create account. So you need to create username of the Earthdata account, password of the Earthdata account, put here username and password. Then you will get the download link, download it, and then you will have the list of the NetCDF file. If you have not registered already, then click here to register. Now once you create account, register it, link it, then only you can download data, or you would not be able to download the data unless you have linked your account. And you need to prepare the date range as well. This is where you need to create your username, password, register it. I have already registered, so you will enter your username, password, register, and then you have to link the account. Remember, don't forget to link your account, because if you will not link your account or email verify your account, you will not be able to use this account and you will not be able to download any data. So first we need to download the data. Now here go to website. This is the website. We will select the start date, end date, latitude, longitude. Now let's fill this box. We need this in the box here, so type TRMM underscore 3B42 here, 3B42 daily 7. Then select the date range. Suppose we need 2007. I will download small data, but while extracting I will show you the full 1 year data. Now I will download only 15 or 16 days data, so it's 15 days data only. Once you have selected the date range, you can see here 2007 112 2007 715. Now the special range means the bounding or rectangle. Suppose we need to download the data of Nepal. To know its coordinate, you can click here, draw marker. You can see here its coordinate is 3180, latitude 3180, longitude. Again you can draw marker, suppose this place 2782. Now click here to draw rectangle. You need to do west comma south comma east comma north. So west 80, suppose 25, 88, 30. You will cover this, but we need a small range, so I will reduce this range and put it 84, or reduce this range and put it 28. Suppose this is my area. Now I will download data for this area. You can see here, this is the area, rectangle. Now click on search. You will get this to download here. Download this. You can see here version 7 1 day 0.25 degree by 0.25 degree is its special resolution, processed level 3. Now click on this get data. Leave it as it is. Here you can change the date again, so it gives 225 MB. It is too much, so for now we will reduce the size by changing the spatial resolution. Suppose this is our spatial resolution. Now click on search. It's still showing. Now you will get 17 MB only. We will download for 11115 only, but you can change the date and the spatial resolution according to your requirement. Now click on, you can see here, file format, NetCDF format, get data. Selected parameter, precipitation, original file, date range, file format, NetCDF. You can download the individual file or as a whole at once. Now you can use the software by inputting the username and password. For that I already show you. You need to enter your username, password and register. So by fulfilling all this, you will get to register here, and here instruction for downloading. You can see here, create an Earthdata account which you created here, then link GES-DISC with your account, then download the list link. This is the download the list link, step number 2. We are doing step number 2. Step number 1, you need to create your account and link it with DISC with your account. You can do it here. Then you need to use wget to download the data. For wget, we will be using this software. In wget you have to write code. You can see here. You need to write this code in wget. The final code will look like this. Is what the final code look like. Now please note, there should not be any white space in the full path of any file path used during this process. And while using this formula or code, you need to be careful about the spacing before these two dash. But we will not be using it here. We will simply be using the software which ultimately uses the wget. You can read how to use the software. I will also show. For detail you can read this documentation. Now I will type my user account. So you can see here the process to link your account with this data access. To get the data access, you need to follow this process to link your account, because if you will not link your account, you will not be able to download the file. I have already linked my account. You can click here show to show your password. Now the file we downloaded earlier, we need to browse it. Click open. There should not be any white space between this full path. Write your project name. After that, you need to click on the download. Remember, create user account, link the account, download the file, write the project name, then click on the download TRMM data. It will take some time to download it. Close. Depending upon the file size, it may take minutes and upon your internet speed as well. See here, the folder is created, project new. Inside the data, the file will be downloaded. The file is being downloaded here. To read about how TRM data has been downloaded, how it has been created, processed, accuracy, Everything is explained detail in this PDF file. You will get it while downloading the data. So you can go through this file as well. Now you can see here download completed, download folder. Suppose you don't know where the download folder is, then click here open, and then you will get the download folder here. Now this is how you can use this software instead of using the bulky code of the wget. By using the software you can download those files. Now you need to extract those files in the SWAT format. For that we will be using another software. Again go to GitHub, github.com/ajayadav repositories. Scroll down, then you will get NetCDFExtractorToSWATFormat. Click here. Again download this as a zip file, about 500 to 600 MB. Once you have downloaded it in the zip file, extract it, and then you will get this folder. Remember, all of these should be in the same folder. You can see here in the readme file, all these files should be in one folder. Within this folder you can see here Google Portable, Google Chrome Portable folder is here, NetCDF extractor is here, then R portable is here, then run.vvs vv script is here, run.vv script, then run netcdf shiny app.r, this is here. So these all should be in one folder. Click on the run to run the software. Run vv script is used to run the software. Then input the file or the data required, and then you will get the SWAT format data. Now I have already downloaded big file here for 1 year, you can see here, and already created a station record. As I saw already, name of the station and the centroid coordinate. You can get it from the GIS. So this is the name of the subbasin I have given. Name you can give anything as you wish, and coordinate of the centroid you can extract it from the GIS attribute table. So I have 20 data here, and TRMM data starting from 2007-01-01. You can see here the date 2007-01-12 means 111. This would be the date of this data. Now go to this file, run vv script. This is how the interface of this software looks. You can see here there is table tab, plot tab, about tab. Then enter the total number of stations for data for one stations. Now we have 365 data. You can see here. We have 365 data and 20 stations. So 20 stations, 365 data, and start year is 2007-01-01. That should be the format of the year writing because it is used in the SWAT. And enter the variable name. We have downloaded precipitation, so we will put here simply precipitation. There are others as well, like I precipitation or R precipitation or something. You will choose that when you download the download link. So for here we have downloaded precipitation, we will put here precipitation. So this is the software table. You will see here plot here and about here. This is a free open source software. Program is followed by the CSAY TRMM downloader. We already saw the software. After using this, first username, create username, link the account, then choose the download link file, download it. After downloading it, browse it, and then use the software to download the NetCDF file. After you have downloaded the NetCDF file, use this software to extract it in the SWAT format. Now enter the total number of data for one station. So we have 365 data. Earlier we downloaded only 15, but I have already downloaded another data, so we will be using this data for the software. 365 data, 20 stations. You can see here I have prepared this 20 stations data extracted from the GIS. Starting year is 2007-11-0101. That should be the format of the writing data. Enter the variable name, which is precipitation in our case. Now after that you need to click here extract data in the SWAT format. Click here. Now read this. Once you click here, select one NC4 file. Select one NC4 file. Now go to the folder. Remember, there should not be any white space in the file path. You can select any NC4 file. Open it. Then select folder containing all the NC4. Now select that folder, TRMM_2007. Click OK. Now select the output folder. We need our output here. We will select this folder. Project new output. F drive project new output. Click OK. Now select text containing name, latitude, longitude. That is the station record. This is the station record in TRMM_2007. We have put this file here. Click OK. Wait for a while. You can see here data exported in SWAT format .txt and all data in one CSV file. This is the 20 file for 20 stations. Each file contains the year name and the data. Similarly for all others, year name and then data. And you can see here also the data is in CSV file as well. All this data in the CSV format. Now click here. You can see here the plot chart of sum of the station wise data for one station. That is, you will get the annual rainfall of each stations. This is the CSV file of 20 stations. So this is how you can extract the file in SWAT format, download the TRMM data. Again, in shortcut, in summary, you can see the process. First you need to do is username, password, then link your account. Then after doing that, download the link list file. Then open the software, write the username, password, browse to the file, give a project name, and then click on the download TRMM data. From the about section you can see the documentation here. To go to the website to download the link, you can click here, go to the website. After you download, you can use NetCDF4 file extractor to SWAT format. Here input the data, number of data you have, number of stations, then starting year, and the variable, that is the precipitations. Click here and choose the required file and folder. You will get data in the required output. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, comment for any further questions, drop a like and share please. If you have any question, you can put in the comment box. If you find difficulty while linking your account, you can put it in the comment box.